Hi, my name is Tom, and today we have the multi-tool pen set. This was sent to me as a review, and I'm going to show it off to you. Let's open it up and see what you get. You get a little instruction manual. Ooh, wow, look at this. You get the actual pen itself, and then you get 2 ink refills, and you get a little battery pack. I'll show you what that's for in a moment. So first things first, this is a metal pen. It's nice solid metal. It's got some good heft to it. That actually feels really good. Let's see here. Let's see. First things first, is it a pen? Yes, it's a pen. Boy, that's one great use. I'm going to go ahead and test that out. Let's see here. One, pen. Yep, that works well. All right, I just twist it and make it go right back in. There we go. Oh, look at this. It also has a little bubble level on it. Does it work as a level? Yes, it does work as a level. Look at that. That's handy. And because it's a flat side, you can go ahead and put it nice and flat, and it works well as a level. So we better go ahead and take that down there. 2, it's also a level. And you'll notice right on the side, right here, we have both millimeters and inches, and it does work very well. I like the fact that it's actually flat, so you can put it onto something, and you can actually put something down, and you can measure it. And you can say, there we go, that's how many over 16ths that is. I can go ahead and then measure this in millimeters, and look at that. It's like 21 millimeters. That's great. It's got 2 different rulers there, so we're going to go ahead and put that down. 3, ruler. Look at that. Now, this screws off. Look at that. And what you have here is you have a stylus. So let's go ahead and see. Does it work? Yes, it works as a stylus. I can still use the pen even when it's a stylus. So we're going to go ahead and put stylus. Cool. Wait, there's more. The stylus screws off. And look at that. It's a little screwdriver. Does it work as a screwdriver? Yes, it's a small screwdriver for not a lot of tension, but it does work as a screwdriver. Wait a minute. There's something else here. Another end. That's a flathead screwdriver. This is now a Phillips head screwdriver. And this, we put it in there, will work just as well. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Okay, so we're going to put the stylus back on. And we're going to go ahead and make sure we put on 5 screwdriver. We have flat, and then we have 6 screwdriver Phillips. Okay, I'm going to put the stylus back in, and it kind of screws in. There's a little thread about right there. I'll close up the pen. And what do we have here on the end? We have, pop that little protector off. We have flashlight. Now, if I turn off all the lights, does it work? Yes, look at that. That is actually nice and bright. That's surprisingly handy. Look at that. Cool. So we do have a flashlight. Wait a minute. What's that little ridge there? I can put that like that. I'll be darned. It's a phone holder. That is really pretty clever. Nice. Phone holder. And you know what else that ridge looks like? Yeah, I think that ridge could definitely be used for exactly right. The 9-in-1 multi-tool pen set is a great gift for Father's Day, for birthdays for fathers, for grandfathers, even for people just starting out, carpenters, anyone who's handy. This is a great gadget and a great gift. Fathers and dads are going to love this. Highly recommended.